Alright guys, today we are playing Wind Up, but we are going to be in a public lobby. So, yeah, let's just do this. Oh, well, there's like actually no one in here.
No. This is sad. This is a grenade.
Put your hands up.
Hey, no threatening.
Bruh, already? I think it's going to be a problem. Literally everybody in Wind Up always grieves.
Hey.
Oh, the wind. Bro, how did I miss? Bro, I actually have horrible aim. Ah, what am I thinking? Bro. I've actually beaten Wind Up before. It's kind of hard. We're just going to be doing the first level because the other one's Broom Up. And I don't really feel like doing Broom Up in a whole big old video. Not kidding, bro. No, I was kidding, bro. I was kidding. Bro. Intense PvP. That's what you get. Ooh, nice. Yes. Bro, I forgot I have a crossbow. That hit it. Oh god, I hate this part. Almost could have died. 1, 2, 3. No! Ah! Yeah, not kidding. Great, now I'm back down here where all the freaking griefers are at. Well, at least no one has a mic. Ugh. No, bro, don't try hitting me off. Okay, yeah. I'm probably gonna go on private server. Literally everybody always grieves in Wind Up. It's starting to get a little annoying. I might join a private server real fast, but if one more person grieves, then I'm probably gonna join private.
With the high pony, with the thick hair. Who served as the
People said this was the hardest only up. It's not even that hard. I would say the hardest only up would actually be level 2 of the real only up map. Okay, yeah, bro. I'm just gonna sit here and wait all day. Bro, how did you? We have war. Rosen, bro, you got this. Yes. Ah, frick.
I'm in the
Yes.
squid of it.
Ha
That's crazy.
Hey, what was that for?
No.
He jumped into spikes. I swear, bro. If I die right now, I'm a poopy butthole. Ew. No, oh god, my tracking just got so bad.
I'd like you to
I mean, hey, yo, beanie guy, are we chill? Okay, because nobody likes that other hair guy. We chill, right? Oh, hey! Hey! Oh god.
Squid up.
Oh, he's down there. Froze him, he'll die.
I'm in the squish.
Bro, it's not. Bro's actually the real life sweat. Bro, go back to G-Tag.
Why?
Pretzel, let's go.
No! Hey, what's your problem?
Yeah, bro, come on. Yes, I saved you. I helped you.
Yeah.
Come on, bro, I'm gonna roll you up here.
Help me! Yeah! Ah. I thought he actually helped me.
What the? Okay. Ooh, yay, thank you.
Yeah! Ah! We have war now! Bro. We still have war! Ah. Die. I'm gonna go to a private server real fast because literally everybody's gonna grieve. So skip through here and get in my freaking private world. Okay, let's do this again. Sorry about that. I just don't want any grief here. In here. If you're wondering what was in that other room, there's nothing because it said like an ex-staff grief tons of builds. Tons and tons of builds. I've actually met one of the Wind Up staff. They had like a Christmas tree outfit. And then they had like a clown mask kind of thing with a Christmas tree hat on it, which is Halloween and Christmas. Yeah, look how far I already am without any griefers. It's like way better. No way, I almost hit that first try. Yes. Oh. Uh-oh. Whee! I was so close to dying. I don't want that to happen. But yeah. Oh, about to hit something. I bet most YouTubers always just edit out their boundaries because I always accidentally go out my boundary. I didn't even break the glass when I jumped. Alright. Almost there. Whew. Tracking almost killed me. No. Wait. Ah, I hate this game. What the? Did I just skip the banjo? really just skipping items? Wait. But let me skip an item. Yeah, whatever. Bro. Five Nights at Freddy's jump scare would be like, nothing. Or they like just jump like straight forward at you. Pretend like you're one of them. And you just like jump straight at the player. Bro. On game. Kills everybody in the whole server. Everybody rage quits. Bro. I get this game. Before. I said I've ate this game before. Well, items are allowed again. Yeah. Make sure if you guys haven't, go watch Lava Up when I played that one. Someone also told me that map was like the hardest. It's really not. And if you haven't yet, please like the video. Not forcing you to, just like it, please. Bro, actually, bro, like the video. And notifications. I probably upload them around like daily. Bro, that literally went in. Bro. Oh my god. How? How is this possible? Yes. Finally, after the 1 billionth try, I still meant nothing. Please make it. Okay. Bam! Now stupid. Easy. Oh god. Where did I even die at last time? Like right at the mushroom? No, right there. Whew, I thought I was gonna die. I'm getting freaked out. Yes. No. Oh god. Whew, there's the end. Here am I. This part's hard. Yes. Yay! Winner Blades! You guys suck with it. I'm the only one in my lobby, so I said I suck. Well, I guess I'll try doing this one for a bit, cause I'm kind of bored. This one you get free brooms. Oh, I hate this part. I always die here. I never pass this part. And then you gotta somehow make it into that tiny teleporter by turning a hard right. I'm just gonna do 2 more tries. So basically 3 tries. And then we're out of here. Ooh, no, that's what always happens and I get Huh. What items are allowed? Now I'll probably keep this. I'm probably gonna play my only up later. And get 2 billion people to sign. Hopefully. Yeah, make sure you guys join Code Monk too. And yeah, well, we're gonna say bye now because I died 3 times. I really haven't favorited it. Thanks. Alright, well, see you guys next video. Bye.